I find overlay actually really good at helping remove um, the muddiness as well, just generally overall. It helps introduce a lot of color and saturation, but you kind of have to be a little careful because things can get pretty saturated pretty quickly. Yeah, already that's way too saturated. I might actually knock that back a bit. Just erasing. And well, I'm probably not ready to sort of start crazy detail just yet. When it comes time to actually add detail and wear and tear on things, it actually really helps liven up the piece in that wear and tear on an object can sort of tell a story, and the parts of an object that sort of need wear and tear can be dictated by sort of how an object is used or what has happened to that object in the past. If a piece of armor is sort of rubbing in a certain spot, there's probably obviously going to be a bit more wear in that region. Maybe up around this area here, there'll be a little bit more. It might be a little bit lighter in tone because maybe the character's hands will rub against this region a bit more, so it'll wear off some of the metal or something. Or maybe around the face there'll be a bit more chips and scratches if the character's been attacked or something like that. This region here might be sort of lighter in tone and have some sort of visible wear based on the fact that like a leg would sort of drape over and sort of rub on that as the character moves. So thinking about sort of like the mechanics behind each material and how different things interact with them can sort of dictate where wear and tear will occur, and by putting it in those locations it can sort of add a little bit more realism to your piece. But all that's sort of reserved for the kind of final stage, sort of final finessing. So right now I'm just lightening up the face. It's in the concept, and I also want to have like a strong sort of light gradient from the face down to the base. Before it was very sort of flat in tone. There was no clear separation, so I need to punch that out a bit more. Also painting on the overlay layer now just to punch it up a little bit more.